Buy na nga ba with gold? So, in this video, pakita natin sa inyo kung paano natin siya iti-trade for the remainder of the week, no? So, recap lang, there's this candle, no? This is a CPI, and this big candle as well is PPI. So, magsalda na Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So, ito yung nangyari, no? So, bearish na naman for the dollar. Pero, as you can see here, the longer term downtrend channel is being respected talaga. So, we are still not out of the woods and we are still looking for a sell opportunities. Okay? So, ang mga levels na tinitingnan natin is of course itong trend line na to became support for a while, then became resistance as well, as you can see here. Yan, here and here. Yan. So what we're expecting is that gold, probably this one, could target this, okay, 4016 because of this support and resistance levels. Okay, so one thing is that it may just go sideways and then boom at around 4060 level. Okay, so yun yung mga levels na tinitingnan natin, and we're just going to target 4016. Okay, the most na siguro is the 4000 level, which is this. Yan. So yan yung pwede nating targetin. But beyond that, we are still looking for more evidence that it could go lower. But we'd rather target these levels muna for now. Okay? So we're not gonna shoot for the moon because the market's still ranging, but with bearish, we're still dealing with bearish, no? So doon sa talagang community natin, we are giving signals for the bears, for the sell orders, no? And of course, there's an occasional buy orders na pwede nating i-take pag nakita natin na talagang uh, sobrang oversold na, no? We can do a quick scalp, quick sniper entry there. Alright? And for now, gold is in a neutral zone, so we're expecting here a very um, ranging movement. No? So, yun yung pwede nating maasahan kay gold. No? Kasi, there, again, even though na bearish for dollar yung mga economic data, there's still the rate hike na pinaprice in ng market. No? Kasi because of the inflation, because of the war, until such time na walang improvement yung war, nagbobombahan pa talaga sila, then we can expect a continuous pressure for gold. Okay? And so, there's this DMI, no, just going up and down, and with the bears taking over for today, Thursday, very small move lang siya. Okay, ranging lang talaga. And that's it for our quick outlook for gold. No, we are just looking for a bounce because this is a breakout on the downside. No, so pag nag-break out, we can expect some retest. No, since we are in a conservative side of the uh, of trading. No, we always want a retest. Okay, so from here and 4038, and then we can just put our stop for sa 4038. Yeah, so times 2 lang natin, no, from and targeting this 4016 level. Okay, so that's it for our gold analysis. And if you want to have a real-time trade management commentary and of course trade signals, trade ideas, you can join our Telegram community. See you there.